एवरीवन, दिस इज आरजे निसर्ग विद यू और आज ब्रीफ मीडिया टीवी पे सेलिब्रिटी टॉक पे हमारे साथ है प्रसाद शिकरे। सो प्रसाद शिकरे इज अ डायनामिक एंड टैलेंटेड एक्टर मेकिंग वेव्स इन इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एंड ही इज जस्ट 25. Let's meet him and let's talk to him what exactly he is doing and what projects he is going on. So
Yeah.
hi, how are you?
I'm good. You say?
Great. So
There's this great place, right?
yes, this is not. We are at German Bakery, basically,
Yeah.
Koregaon Park. Mein. So German Bakery is one of the best place ever in Koregaon Park.
Amazing coffee, by the way.
Amazing
Yeah.
coffee, true. So yes, tell me, how is your journey? What films you're doing? And he's not just doing films; he is doing music album, not in Hindi, also in Marathi, also in Telugu, and like I have lot more stuff to talk. So you tell me.
Yeah. So basically, I started with films. I did theater for 2 years, but I was more interested in films. So the next step was going to Mumbai,
Correct.
फिल्मों का शहर and सपनों का शहर,
Nice.
as it is
As
there.
always.
Yeah. So वहाँ पे गया. I joined this Roshan Taneja Film Institute
Okay.
just to brush up my on-screen skills. Because senior ये होता है ना कि नाटक जो करते हैं बहुत सारा, तो they tend to overdo it in front of the camera.
Correct.
So to minimize it, मैंने वो join किया था और रोशन सर खुद सिखाते थे, which was the best part.
Nice.
उसके अलावा after that I started giving auditions and I had this vision in my mind कि मुझे ना short films से आना है ना मुझे छोटे स्क्रीन पे आना ही नहीं है. Not that it's bad, but मेरा ऐसा विजन था कि आऊंगा तो फर्स्ट टाइम आऊंगा तो 70 mm.
Okay.
And that by the God's grace happened. Yeah.
Yes.
And so my journey started from 2017. And the best part was कि मैं 2017 में ही शिफ्ट हुआ मुंबई.
Okay.
मतलब 2016 में रोशन तनेजा कंप्लीट हुआ, फिर स्लोली शिफ्ट हो गया अंधेरी साइड. एंड आफ्टर दैट in the year 2017, that's the best part I feel about my journey कि बहुत सारे एक्टर्स होते हैं वो बहुत मेहनत करते हैं
Correct.
और फिल्में भी करते हैं, बट फिल्म्स कभी रिलीज ही नहीं हो पाती. बट इन माय केस ऑल माय फिल्म्स व्हिच आई हैव डन हैव बीन प्रॉपर्ली थिएटर रिलीज एज इन पीवीआरस एंड आल्सो.
Wow.
Yeah, so that to say more, first film was The Dream Job of Mukesh Mishra. और उसका शूट पुणे मुंबई दोनों साइड पे हुआ. So that was amazing. That was my first experience. And उसके बाद जनक पोपरानी की Call for Fun
Okay.
मुझे मिल गई. And they are like the national award winners.
Wow.
So to get a film, that too, दूसरी film, it was amazing. उसके बाद Game Over आई
Correct.
परेश सवानी की, वो मिली. And the best part was I would get to play leads in all the films.
Right.
So that was amazing. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे I signed one Marathi film which came in 2019.
Okay.
The name was Unmat.
Unman. Yes.
Of Mahesh Rajmane.
Right.
And it was amazing film. It was kind of psychological thriller, so people who love to watch that kind of genre. So it was amazing. It is basically based on sleep paralysis.
Okay.
So it was amazing shooting for that film.
Okay.
Yeah, तो
Nice.
उसके बाद धीरे धीरे I started working in
Journey
music
started.
albums. Yeah. So music albums करते गए, अच्छे labels के साथ जुड़ता गया. T Series, Z,
Wow.
Global. Yeah. So
So
सारे.
you rised and you were shining.
Yeah, I'm going on.
Shining,
Yeah.
right. So
'Cause,
basically, what was that moment when you thought you wanted to become an actor? The basic question.
Yeah.
A moment or that click, that click. When was it and what was it?
It was. I used to perform in Ganpati's.
Acha.
Yeah,
correct.
the proper.
पुण्याचा. हा, by the way, I'll
Yeah.
come back, but the first point is की
Yeah.
तू पुण्याचा आहे.
Yes.
मग
एकदम.
पुण्याबद्दल काय म्हणशील तू?
पुणे तिथे काय पुणे. As in best place to be at. आणि मला जेव्हा पण असा वेळ मिळतो ना की आता शूटिंग नाही आहे ना, मी पळून येतो पुण्याला.
Wow.
Because I have a lot of friends over here.
Correct.
त्यानंतर places, I love this climate, basically main climate. आणि as I said, पुणे तिथे काय होणे. I love the local food.
Right.
आणि मी इकडचाच असल्यामुळे I'm like proper पुणेकर. Yeah.
बरोबर. नाही, जेव्हा तू गणपतीचा उल्लेख केलास
Yes.
तेव्हा मी असं मला क्लिक झालं की अरे पुणे म्हणल्यानंतर गणपती आलाच आणि
Yeah.
गणपती म्हणल्यानंतर येस तू बोलत होतास त्यामुळे.
Yes. So basically मैं परफॉर्म करता था गणपति, जो हमारी कॉलोनी का गणपति होता था.
Correct,
It
correct.
was on grand scale. आणि वी यूज टू परफॉर्म देअर आणि आम्ही नुकतंच नाटक वगैरे करायला लागलेलो आणि वेन ऑडियन्स यूज टू चिअर अप ना की दॅट द गोल्डन वर्ड्स की वन्स मूव एक ऍड्रेलिन रश असतो ना म्हणजे
करेक्ट
एक ऍड्रेलिन रश यू गेट की
करेक्ट
आय वॉन्ट टू डू दिस इन माय लाईफ
बरोबर.
इट गिव्स मी हॅपीनेस
बरोबर
सो आय वॉज लाईक की नाही आता हेच करायचं आहे अँड इट वॉज लाईक की गणपती बाप्पानी आशीर्वाद दिलाच आहे तर हेच करायचं आहे.
nice. So, through all of your films, which was the film you think that has changed you, that has impacted you a lot in the sense of acting or career or whatever?
आय वुड से की अजून ती यायची आहे
Okay.
गॉड ग्रेसनी आता पुढच्या वर्षात येईल ती आय गेस पण आतापर्यंत केलेले आय लव्ह ऑल माय फिल्म्स ऍज अ म्हणजे स्वतःचं काम आवडतंच
बरोबर.
अँड आता जर म्हणशील तर उन्मत्त वॉज व्हेरी टफ बिकॉज इट वॉज लाईक बेसिकली आय हॅड टू रीड अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ फॉर दॅट फिल्म कारण की ते स्लीप पॅरालिसिस वर होतं
बरोबर.
जेव्हा आपण रिअलिस्टिक गोष्टींवर फिल्म करतो वेन वी डू फिल्म्स ऑन दॅट नंबर आपल्याला वी नीड टू स्टडी अ लॉट
बरोबर.
So that was little tough, but it was amazing. And rest others were like fun, entertaining. They were like amazing. हम लोग मतलब इतना set पे fun करते रहे. We used to do crazy stuffs. And दो उसमें से most probably एक thriller थी, एक realistic banking के ऊपर थी.
Okay.
And Call for Fun was like fun film. Family entertainer.
Right.
So they were amazing, light-hearted comedies. So yeah, or if you ask me particularly about it, so yeah, Unmattu was tough, and also Dream Job was kind of tough because it was my first film.
Correct.
So that was key. Bankers, I had to study bankers, how they
Right.
walk, how they talk, and all
True.
stuff.
So acting is
Yeah.
just not about acting; it's a lot more of
Yeah, it's more of observation.
the life. Basically.
Yeah,
True.
and that's the best part of acting. Matlab, we get to live so many characters, so many lives in
Right.
one life.
True.
So that's amazing.
Nice. So you have been into Hindi, you have been into Marathi, you have been into, and now you're coming up with Telugu also.
Yeah.
So how do you manage? म्हणजे मराठीतून तेलुगू, तेलुगूतून हिंदी काय म्हणजे कसं?
They are very sweet. Matlab, they taught a lot of things, how to talk in the language, and mala proper. I had this tutor.
Okay.
She used to.
So आता येतं तुला तेलुगू?
नाही एवढं पण नाही but
Okay.
dubbing as.
Correct.
But I'm trying my level
Yes,
best.
yes.
So yeah, but hopefully वो film is साल आएगी and it will be good.
Nice.
It is typical masala film.
Right.
So ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा जब आ जाएगी तो
Great.
you will
Watch
see
it then.
in the theaters. Yeah.
Yes. So for all of your fans, what is that moment or behind the scenes wala moment or any story which you remember throughout your whole journey in album, like shooting albums, your films, or in Telugu film industry? Some of the other thing which clicked your mind.
We used to do a lot of pranks.
Okay.
As in हम लोग ना एक ड्रीम जॉब का किस्सा सुना था. We were shooting मुल्शी side.
Okay.
इन पुणे वाला.
Yes.
और उन्होंने उधर सेटअप लगाया था और उधर पूरा ऐसा जंगल फार्म हाउस वगैरह सब कुछ है.
Correct.
So वो and it's quite horror kind of place. म्हणजे वाइब असे खूप आहे.
बरोबर.
And it's like and वो इतना terrific location था कि आसपास कुछ नहीं था. And we used to go crazy. We used to hide. और जो heroine
शूटिंगची मजाच वेगळी असते.
Yeah.
रात्रीची.
And we used to scare every crew member over there.
Okay.
मतलब वहाँ पे सारों को डरा था कि मुझे ये देखी मुझे वो फील हुआ एंड छुप जाते थे एंड दोस काइंड ऑफ प्रैंक्स इट वो क्रेजी. फिर कॉल फॉर फन के सेट पे भी बहुत प्रैंक्स किए हम लोगों ने एंड उसके बाद जो दिस वन गेम ओवर के इसमें वी शॉट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग इन गुजरात सूरत मॉरिशियस वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह.
Nice.
So it was amazing. बहुत fun मतलब crazy stuff. जो कुछ बता भी नहीं सकते ऐसे भी बहुत सारे किस्से हैं.
So which is the best role you think out of all of this? Which was your best role?
I feel every role I loved. मतलब स्वतःचं काम आवडतं जरूर.
बरोबर.
मतलब ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता कि particularly यही रोल. But I would still say कि सारे रोल मुझे मेरे बहुत पसंद है. But वो जो एक होता है ना dude, ये है.
Right.
वो मोमेंट आना अभी बाकी है and it will come.
Okay. So what is that genre or role you're like planning for कि ऐसा होना चाहिए?
See, टू बी फ्रैंक मैं जितने फिल्म्स देखता हूँ, थ्रिलर देखता हूँ या फिर स्लैशर्स देखता हूँ, हॉलीवुड काइंड ऑफ स्टफ, और हिंदी में ना I love Bollywood romance, typical Karan Johar films,
correct.
Larger than life style.
True.
Yeah. Because dude, सारे लोग reality
Fiction kind
देखना,
of
reality मतलब everyone around us is like in reality, तो थिएटर में पैसे दे के वही देखना, I don't think, मतलब larger than life, Rohit Shetty sir, Karan Johar sir, they show like bigger picture.
Yes.
That you feel like, oh fuck, this is another world.
Something. Yes.
So yeah.
So who's the
वो सही।
inspiration yours?
मेरा इंस्पिरेशन dude, मैंने स्टार्ट किया था इन एक्टर, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट हॉलीवुड, जिम कैरी.
Okay.
ही इज लाइक
The
बेस्ट मैन एवर, क्योंकि द एक्सप्रेशन ही गिव्स आर लाइक टॉप नॉच.
Top notch, true.
सो या, एंड इन बॉलीवुड आई लव Akshay Kumar sir
Okay.
and Salman Khan sir. Salman
Okay.
Khan sir, because he is the star.
True.
Because the aura he creates, and he's like the star.
Right.
And the attitude which stars should have, he has
He
that.
does. He has it.
और अक्षय कुमार सर, because अक्षय कुमार सर का मुझे एक पसंद है कि he evolved amazingly.
True.
मतलब स्टार्टिंग में आए थे एक्शन हीरो,
बराबर.
उसके बाद जैसे दौर चला कॉमेडीज का, तो he captured
He's
it.
into everything.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
And
इसलिए
he
I love
can
it.
tend himself in any role.
Yeah, that's what. And about director, I love Mike Nelson, जो
Okay.
एक हॉलीवुड का डायरेक्टर जिन्होंने रॉन्ग टर्न
Wrong Turn.
सीरीज बनाया था.
Correct.
So I
That was an
yeah.
something up level series.
Yeah, because it's amazing.
Right.
रॉन्ग टर्न बनाया
And they
था.
have their own fans. Wrong turn fans. They have their
Dude.
own fans.
मैं हूँ.
Yes.
And इसके बाद स्टीवन स्पीलबर्ग,
Okay.
क्योंकि
Nice.
उन्होंने उस
Nice.
टाइम में जुरासिक पार्क बना दी थी, जिस टाइम AI वगैरह कुछ नहीं था.
True.
मतलब can't
वो
even
फिल्म ही अलग
imagine.
थी, वो जमाने की फिल्म ही अलग.
That director was class apart.
Class.
मतलब AI नहीं है, no good technology at that time, और उसने realistic dinosaur world दिखा दिया,
दिखाया था.
larger than life again. And in Bollywood, I will say again Rohit Shetty
Rohit
sir,
Shetty.
because he shows like family entertainer and
True.
big picture, larger than
So-
life, and Karan Johar sir, amazing.
So when it comes to Bollywood, there are many misconceptions, right?
Yeah.
Like there are misunderstandings or misconceptions कि नहीं film industry में ऐसा ही होता है. So you have been into Bollywood, you have been into Tollywood, and so what do you think? What are these, and you know how people think, and what exactly it is? So you can tell us that.
The first misconception is like, dude, तुम इंडस्ट्री से हो, अरे यार तुम्हारी बहुत गर्लफ्रेंड्स होगी.
Okay. Okay.
That is the first
Okay.
misconception.
So that means you don't have a girlfriend and you're single? Is
Yeah, I'm
that
single.
mean? Okay, so that was again green signal for all girls over there.
So yeah, but apart from the why, dude, film line का है तो affairs होंगे. That is the most misunderstood thing.
True.
I guess. But and then film line है तो अरे यार first picture कमा ली, oh fuck इसके पास तो बहुत पैसा आ गया रहेगा.
Right.
They don't know the journey how we go through.
True.
So that's yeah. So another misconception, यार इसकी तो मजे ही मजे है. नहीं है, फिल्म लाइन है, हीरोइंस के साथ है, इधर उधर वेकेशंस के लिए.
Your friend must be telling.
या इनको पैसा मिलता है to vacation, to go to vacation and shoot there.
Right.
So, yeah, but dude पहले इतने पापड़ बेले होते थे.
वो दिखता नहीं है.
यार,
वो दिखता नहीं है.
obviously.
Right. So you have been into Tollywood, as I said, and even Hindi. So what's the difference you think, or which is the best, according to you, which is the best, film industry to work with?
Every industry, man. I love Tollywood, I love
No, but
Bollywood, I
because-
love Marathi films, I love Hollywood, everything. I'm like always be like a blank paper. मतलब
Right.
जो भी आया ना, every industry is amazing in their own way.
True.
आता बघना, Bollywood is like the commercial thing,
True.
and it is like it has made so many beautiful films,
True.
old school types,
बराबर.
तनवे इंडो.
Right.
So वो एक सही है. उसके बाद Hollywood is like legend
Big class,
film,
true.
yeah, legend scenes. उसके बाद Tollywood, they have amazing technical team. I would say
Right.
that. मतलब उन वो जैसा fight sequence हो या फिर editing हो, they have the best people.
Correct.
Even directors. अभी recently अगर if you see Tollywood films,
Yes,
they
yes.
are amazing.
Amazing,
Every director is like top notch.
Working in their house.
Yeah.
That is true.
And yes, and Marathi films, dude. Actors, scripts.
ते तर core आहे.
Dude, आतून
Yes.
expressions, dude. म्हणजे एव्हरी फिल्म म्हणजे एव्हरी जी इंडस्ट्री आहे ना आता मराठीची इंडस्ट्री घे हिंदी की बोलो
बरोबर.
तेलुगू
have their own
have their own strong points.
बरोबर.
So it cannot
Every
be like
industry.
every industry. I would
प्रेम
say.
सगळ्यांमध्येच आहे.
Yeah, सबको
Yes.
मैं प्यार करता हूँ.
Nice. So basically, you have worked with albums. You're working with films as well. So, what was your experience? Like, how is it different to work with albums, like music albums?
म्युझिक अल्बम्स में कैसे होता है यू हैव टू शो लार्जर देन लाइफ पिक्चर काइंड ऑफ
Correct.
म्हणजे असं रोमॅन्टिक वगैरह फुल एसआर के
बरोबर.
स्टाईल वगैरह असं म्हणजे ती तुम्हाला आपको ना ऐसी प्रॉपर ओवर थोड़ा ओवर नहीं बोल सकते बट एक लाइन ऊपर एक्सप्रेसिव रहना पड़ता है
Right.
to show that additional thing ki yeah people should fall in love with you both. So to get them to fall in love with you guys so you have to be a little more expressive.
True.
अभी बट फिल्म्स का सीन ऐसा है कि अभी जो सटल एक्टिंग का दौर आया है you have to be like yeah
Very normalized.
so what yeah
Right.
that kind of
That's
acting
the difference.
yeah that's the difference. पहले वाली फिल्म्स थी तो वहां पे ऐसे चलता था कि थोड़ा एक्सप्रेसिव मतलब ओवर ऐसे
Right.
अभी
To pretend, basically.
अभी ऑडियंस इज वे मोर
Way
स्मार्ट
more smarter. True.
तो अगर गलती से भी अपन ओवर वगैरह करने जाए तो
They'll catch you up.
Yeah.
Correct. So basically, when it comes to acting in albums, you said you shooted in Dubai.
yeah
And,
I'm gonna shoot in
yes, shoot in Dubai, right? So albums में जब what's the difference basically? मतलब in acting specifically, which is your core? Like you're loving albums or you're loving films?
films
Films.
watch films
Okay.
I love films
So
as in films देख के बड़ा हुआ हो तो dude films ही best part लगता है. Albums are amazing because you get to know so many good people from the industry and it's like 2 days of work but बहुत मेहनत होती है. I've seen like crews so अलल अभी मैं फोटोज दिखा रहा हूँ dude कितनी मेहनत ये लोग लेते हैं ना dude. The behind the camera जो heroes होते हैं ना they are like
वो अलग ही होता है.
best.
सही है. So basically, you have been into like as I said, you rised and rised, like you shined and rised and you're rising.
Yeah.
So what is that one message you will give to all the audience and your fans that whom are upcoming actors or who want to be actors? What is that one message, or you want to share something?
One message अभी मैं उस लेवल तक पहुंचने का कि I'll say something
from your overall journey.
But never give up. That's the basic thing. Or patience. You have to have that patience. And Shah Rukh Khan sir had said that कि जब तक मतलब नहीं गया किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो पूरी कायनात, that happens dude. मतलब universe.
I think he's a live example.
Yeah,
he's a live example.
That's why he's the king dude.
True.
As in he went from zero to hero and he's still the king.
And yet he's down to earth. Like I've met him, I've interviewed him. He is yet down to earth.
And the best part, he is being called the king इसलिए क्योंकि वो zero से hero हुआ है dude. On his own.
Correct.
It's amazing. Nice. So he's like the best thing.
Nice.
Industry got.
So as a normal question, everybody is interested. Like if you are not an actor, so what would you?
I used to love watching WWF. So it will sound cliche, but I was like
a drastic transaction.
Yeah, I wanted to be a wrestler.
Okay.
And I used to love the players over there. And WWA4 नाम करके एक स्कूल हुआ करती थी and I had got this email ID भी and I have sent I had sent that I want to join you guys.
Okay.
So the craze was like कि मैंने किया भी था.
Okay.
But उनका रिप्लाई नहीं आया, वो बात अलग है. But dude वो फाइंड करके I was like I want to do
वो
this.
फीलिंग ही अलग होता है कि हमने किया है.
Yes.
Right.
तो वो एक सही था. So wrestler.
Nice. So we have a great bun muska, we have cheesecake in this German bakery.
Yeah.
So I'll just like to add on few things on German bakery. So this segment is nothing but the taste of Pune, the German bakery. Before we dive more into films, film talks, and we have more to talk, we'll take a moment to appreciate this amazing place. And this is a Pune's legendary German bakery. Whether be it a local or you coming from outside, you're visiting Pune, it's just the spot everyone loves it. Be it coffee, be it bun muska, they have amazing keema paos, and it's been established in 1988. The German bakery has just been more than a cafe, because it's the cultural landmark also. And this place has some aura, right? You
Yeah.
must be feeling it's an amazing place to be. So if you're been in Pune, or if you're planning to be in Pune, do visit this place. And yeah.
This is the place to bring your dates on, guys.
Oh wow, that's
आधा
so
काम तो
nice.
प्लेस कर देती है, खाना आधा काम करता है बाकी.
And it has, the name is only enough. Rest all is history about
Yeah,
German
true that,
bakery.
true that.
Yes, so we'll have a bite of bun muska as well.
Yeah,
And while having it, we'll have a rapid fire also.
awesome.
So this
Cheesecake,
rapid
huh?
fire, yes,
It looks
sure,
more
you
yum.
can. So this rapid fire will begin with
Yeah,
one best thing that describes you, or one best word that describes you.
wild,
Oh my God, Bollywood or Tollywood?
both.
Both. Okay. A role which you wish you had played earlier and you want to play.
I would love to play Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Oh, that's nice.
Because that role is like godly role. So yeah,
Correct. So your go-to comfort food?
go to comfort food. Chicken biryani.
Okay, chicken biryani,
Yeah.
nice. Early morning shoot or late night shoot?
Late night show.
Late night shoot, as you said earlier. The director you dream working with?
अच्छा, तीनों को बता देता हूँ.
Okay.
हॉलीवुड में स्टीवन स्पीलबर्ग, as I said, I love that.
Yes.
बॉलीवुड में रोहित शेट्टी सर.
Yes.
And this one, Tollywood में Puri Jagannath.
Oh,
So,
nice.
yeah.
Nice.
And Marathi में महेश मांजरेकर सर.
Burr.
Yes.
Nice. And favorite co-star you like to work with? You would like, in future.
Every female is beautiful. Any.
Okay, so you don't have any favorite star?
All are my favorite.
Okay. The song that is always on your playlist?
You will call me narcissistic, but मेरा खुद का दीवानों ने, sung by the legend Shan.
Oh, nice.
So, yeah.
कौन सा वाला?
दीवानों ने.
दीवानों
It's
ने.
of T-Series.
T-Series,
So, yeah. The best part about this thing कि जितने भी मैंने music albums किए ना, dude, all amazing singers. Shan, Mika Singh.
Nice.
Yeah. उसके बाद this one, Mohammad Irfan.
Wow.
Every good. You tell
Amazing.
me. Yeah. Naqash Aziz.
Nice.
Javed Ali.
Great.
Yeah.
And one thing which you would like to tell, which nobody knows. Something
What?
about yourself
मैं single हूँ.
that you said already.
अच्छा.
One thing which nobody knows.
मुझे डेट करना है तो जर्मन बेकरी में मिलूंगा मैं.
Oh, that's
In my
nice.
spare time, I chill away.
Great. So this is it. We were with, we had a fantastic talk and a cheesecake and a coffee in this German bakery. And we are yet to see him in खूप साऱ्या films. मराठी मध्ये पण, तेलुगू तर मला काही येत नाही. So I won't talk much. Hindi and English as well. So yes, all the best for your journey.
Thank you so much.
Here Arjun Nisarga is signing off. Thank you so much.
Thank you.